your boy actually bought some stuff to upgrade his PC.
Ting tang walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah. Ting tang walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee. Body yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club. Where the bottles.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy PlayBoi back again with another video. And so, like I had said in previous videos, guys, your boy actually bought some stuff to upgrade his PC. So I'll be taking some stuff out of the old PC and putting it in the new PC, as well as the upgrades that I am making. My son is actually going to be getting the old PC because he wants to do Minecraft gaming, and so for Christmas I figured I'd give him my old setup. It's only, I would say, probably a year old, so he'll be still getting a pretty decent system, and of course I'll be able to get the upgrades that I need to continue to do what I do on YouTube and as far as my streaming goes. So anyways, guys, here are the parts that we have. So of course your boy is upgrading to an i7 1700X, which we have here from Ryzen. I'm also got some LED fans, or RGB fans, sorry, RGB fans. The LL120 from Corsair has 3 fans inside plus the module. We have some Trident Z RGB. This is compatible with Ryzen. It's for 3600 speed. Now, guys, I actually found this on a really good deal for Black Friday. Again, all this stuff that I have here, guys, for as far as the upgrades that I will do, will be in the description below. So if you feel that you need this, make sure you go ahead and check those prices at Amazon. See if you can get some good deals. But I got this, I think, I want to say about $144. So not bad for 3600 speed, and it is compatible with Ryzen, which is what I have. I know a lot of people had issues with that because they're more compatible with Intel than it is Ryzen. But your boy copped some Ryzen ones. So also we have the X370 motherboard, that's Gaming Pro Carbon from MSI. We also have the DF500 Dark Fleet case. This is just going to be probably one that I start out with. I thought it looked really cool. It had great reviews and great you know, aspects on it. So I will try this out and then also do a review on seeing how good it is. Now, of course, if I don't like it, because I have seen some mixed reviews on it, then of course your boy will be upgrading this as soon as possible. Anyways, we also have the Master Liquid ML240L RGB cooler, CPU cooler, with some more RGB. Also, we have some Thermaltake cable management. So this is the blue and black pack. It will also add to that, you know, look of the case. So guys, this is my first build, so if you see me doing something wrong, don't laugh at me too hard. Don't go too hard on me in the comments. But guys, I would definitely love, if you are new to the channel, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification right next to it, because YouTube is broke right now, so need all the help I can to get the videos out there for a small channel. And of course, if you do like the video, also smash the like button and share it with your friends and family so that maybe they can be encouraged to do their first build or, you know, upgrade their computer. So it is a lot of fun. I've seen it, you know, I've read it and watched it a million times now, by now, since I've started YouTube, and I felt like I wanted to do my own. So anyways, this is my first build. Let's go ahead and get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. I got so many bars, call it kamikaze. Ain't nobody ever gonna ever stop me. And I know that I could be a little cocky. That's the byproduct of hard work, no it's not free. I'm at a top speed, I think you lost me. Do not cross me, I keep dropping all these hits and I know that they watching. They keep showing up in my place, always knocking. Knock, knock, bitch, I've been standing right here. Been over 3 years and now you just got here. Man, get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Call it premiere, I can take a boy's name and smear, or take it up a gear and end your career and make you feel fear, or make you disappear. Cause I am right here and not going nowhere. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now.
Alright guys, so we just finished it, and I'm sorry if it's a little skippy with the whole build. Guys, it took me quite a while to do it. For it to be my first time, I had some issues here and there, but I figured it out, got it all together. So let's go ahead and see if we can get it turned on. Well, it might help if I turn on the power supply. Oh, there we go. Fans on. I got one fan on in the back. We got power here, but not all the fans are turning. We got these up here in the front. Oh, sorry. These up here in the front that's not turning. It's a little concerning. They're lit up, but they're not turning. That one in the back is turning. The ones up top is turning. Everything else looks alright. Alright. So, looks like we're going to have to do some more working on it here, guys. Let's see. Alright, we got our BIOS up. That's good. We got to see why the fans in the back is not going to go. Alright guys, so once I get it all up and going, I'm going to go ahead and do all the stuff I got to get done to get it taken care of and get it going again, and I'll get back with you guys once I got it up and running. Alright guys, what's going on? So it's your boy, and of course guys, I told you that I had to work on it, get everything straight, and your boy has gotten it done. So now the build is officially done. I have gotten everything situated, the fans are working, everything's the same color. Now I do still have to make some more updates to the computer, which will come in later days, and of course as I do that I'll show you guys. But I am going to have to buy some more Corsair fans to put throughout the rest of the build, because right now I have so much mixture of stuff in here that it doesn't all link up like they say it does. But we'll make it all work. Like I said, we'll get more Corsair fans so that way all the fans work together, and then the only thing I have to worry about is figuring out how to get the Trident DRAM strips to work with the fans and everything else. And of course eventually I'll get a RGB strip for coloring inside the computer too, to give it even more lighting. So it's going to be really nice once it's all done. But the most important part is it's up running, everything's working right, and it is a great upgrade to have on the computer as far as video editing, streaming, things like that. So guys, of course, if you're interested in anything that I put in the build, make sure you go ahead and look at the description. All of the links for all the stuff that I bought will be there. You click on it, you'll go to Amazon, you'll be able to purchase the things. If you don't want that specific item, you can always go purchase anything you want from Amazon at that point, guys. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Of course, if you have any comments, any questions, anything that you want to say, make sure you leave those in the comments also. Your boy reads them all the time, so go ahead and let your boy know. And of course, if you did like this video, make sure you go ahead and drop that like also, guys. But that's it for your boy PlayBoi. Peace.
I'm finna win it like I win stacks. Every single that I'm in, man, it's been fat. These haters all get whacked when I spit max. These haters all get bit in the pit fast. You better get cracked, so you better move back. Y'all don't wanna play with a pro, not today. I'ma make you wish you were gone in my A. You gon' be my bitch, be my pawn when I play. You gon' be my bitch, take my palm to the face. You know I'm your biz when I'm on fucking stage. You ain't never gonna get me to be tame. I go insane, you can't detain this beat, yo, when I came to stay. Cause girl, I came to play. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Here, let me break it down. Yeah, I'm gonna make it now. Give me some time and you'll see me up on stage somehow. I'm working every day, I'm working hella late. I'm working cause it's worth it. Once you make it, then you play. Y'all never slowing down.